Hello, Paul again here with EMD Motorsport at Caringbah. Got this Porsche 997, was towed in for stuck in gear or something like that. Can't select any gears. Manual gearbox. It's been to a different workshop already, so not sure why they took that one off for. It comes with the actual selector gear, so now this part here is broken off. This is going to be very hard to put back. And this part here is broken off. Hopefully I can fix that back on to make it work. That's for the PSM, which is this one here. PSM off and the rear spoiler. So I went underneath the car, had a look. I just used a jack to jack up the rear, put it on jack stand. So I had a look at the car and I found the bottom cable has come off, the lock, the blue one there. So still a lot of stuff here was removed before, as you can see here. It's broken, that little trim there as well, and that's still there. So I'm gonna remove all this here out to check it properly, and hopefully I can fix all that up later on. Okay, I've removed the center console off for this Porsche 997. So pop the cable off the actual selector to make sure the selector is free. And it is, the selector is free, there's nothing wrong with the selector. I can move it back and forth, nothing is stuck. So the problem is probably the actual cable adjustment at the back, or the adjustment up here. Need to check that first. So right now that's where we are at the moment. I wanted to disconnect the cable from here to make sure this part here is not broken, or this part, the selector can be freely move around. So make sure this still right there. Nothing is broken here, as you can see. Close up. And so all I gotta do now is have a look at the cable underneath, make sure they're not broken. Right now, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get another mechanic to move this for me. Move the cable back and forth, and then this one here back and forth as well when I tell him to. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be outside underneath the gearbox, looking at the actual, make sure they are moving. So move one at a time. Okay, so now I'm underneath the gearbox. So he's gonna move one at a. All right, move one. Move the other one. Move the other one. Move the other one. Oh, oh, that's already half broken. Woo. Don't worry about it. Cable's broken, so it needs 2 new cables. So the problem is the cable. Confirmed. Okay, we're back in the vehicle. Confirmed. Broken gearbox. So I can tell because this one here springs back and forth. See that one that's springing? This one here just moves back with no spring at all. As you can see, that one's already broken, half broken. Oh, sorry, broken already. Okay, so we just confirmed. Previously I was underneath the vehicle, so the cable is broken. So, but I gotta try to fix this part here because that part already come off before I touched it. So that can be another problem as well by itself. This part is supposed to come off without. You don't even need to take that off. That part can come off once you take the trims off. But somebody stripped it out and broke it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe, guys, to give my channel a like so I can actually show more stuff, more content. Thanks for watching.